You're good.
Oh, alright. Just beat the cinnamon challenge. Me and RJ both did it. She was easy, you know what I'm saying? We didn't have no struggle. Anyways. Yeah. I'm about to beat the cracker challenge because I'm a fucking beast and I can do it. Thank you. Like I said, give me a 30-second count and a 10-second count. She gonna keep the time. I'm gonna eat the fucking crackers. Watch me work. Alright. So, you gotta give me like a 5-second countdown, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay,
and
ready?
When you hit 1, it's over.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow. Impossible. Fuck it.
30 seconds. 25. 20. 15.
You still have a whole mouthful.
10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3.
Oh, bro.
Time's up.
Hey, dude, you're not gonna fucking help me. I'm gonna fucking die trying to do this fucking challenge. No, that's fucking impossible. That's stupid. Whoever did that, that's stupid. Nobody's ever gonna do that. I don't give a fuck what nobody says.
That's what they said about the